फोंड्या लायन्स क्लब ऑफ फोंडान शामीर रफी नांवान संगीत कार्यावळ आयोजीत केल्या। ह्या सुवाळ्याक मुखेल आकर्षण मोहम्मद रफीचे सुपुत्र शाहिद रफी हजर आसतले। हो संगीत सुवाळो 23 ऑगस्टाक फोंडेच्या राजीव कला मंदिरांत जातलो। RDX गोवा खातीर फोंडेच्यान महेंद्र गांवकर।
We will be approaching good business houses in Ponda, but to raise funds immediately, we have designed a musical evening, and that musical evening we call it Shaam-e Rafi. The gentleman Rafi is very much famous in the musical field, and what is our attraction that we have invited his son. His son, who is Shahid Rafi, he performs on behalf of his father. He gives the stage shows in India, and his charges are very heavy. But when we approached him with this request that all proceeds will go to the orthopedic bank, he was very kind enough to reduce his charges. So this Shaam-e Rafi is not only for Rafi's songs, but also the appearance of his son Shahid Rafi. This function is organized at Rajiv Gandhi Kala Mandir on 23rd of this month, which falls on Wednesday, evening 7:45. We request the public, music lovers through media, that they should not only enjoy the music, not only to witness the first show of Shahid Rafi in Ponda. Shahid Rafi is coming to Ponda first time. As you are told that our club is the first club in 2nd century of Lionism. After 100 years, we have formed this club, Ponda Parivar. And Shahid is coming first time to Ponda.